guess what?
Stop talking. Just let them enjoy the video. Alright guys, welcome back to Rod Fishing, and today we're about to head to the lake.
Thank the Lord, finally.
Hopefully beat the rain, so.
Yeah, it says supposed to rain around, I don't know.
We're about 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
You got your rods in the back?
Yeah, they're in the
Alright,
back.
let's go.
Alright, well, we'll see y'all guys there. So, well, we're hopping in the truck. Alright, guys, so I want y'all to go check out the Instagram right now. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the truck before Kyle leaves me because he's done it before. And I'm about to go, shut up, I'm trying to make an intro. But I'll see y'all guys at the lake. I'll see y'all. Let's get it.
Alright guys, well I caught a fish, and you know my cameraman was way over there doing what he was doing.
My bad.
Well, I got this one.
Kyle, you caught it without me.
And that would be a largemouth. Yeah, I'm just reeling in. I saw something come in like a bunch of brim. And I was just reeling in through these little bushes right here. And then he just smacked it. So.
Yesterday I wasn't here, but today, here. Got your fish tank.
Yeah, man.
Heck yeah.
We're about to get some pictures and we'll catch you in a bit. Alright guys, get a release on him. There he goes. There he goes, you guys. Alright guys. Let's get back fishing. He's got back to his bed. Back cast around these trees right here and see what we can do. And that was a good cast.
Professional.
Even watching me too much.
Oh, yeah.
You watch my
Taking
videos?
notes.
You watch my videos?
No, I watch our videos.
He watches my videos. That's why he knows how to fish.
You know what we need to do, Kyle? We need to make a tutorial video on how to fish. For all them girls and ladies and gentlemen that don't know how to fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell them how to
Well,
hook a fish.
do you have one or are you kidding?
Oh, he got one on this, right? See what we got. We're just messing around. This is how we do it.
Yeah. Okay, that is really good.
That's how you hook a fish.
And that's what I'm talking about right
Yeah,
there.
see, you did
That's
take
what you call
notes.
rod
You did
fishing.
take notes.
I did take notes. Yeah, you see, he takes notes.
I already knew. All right, we're gonna get the hook out real quick.
Hey, look. So we should make a tutorial about how to fish.
Thank God.
Well, because you know, you just witnessed him catching a fish while we was talking about it. So yeah, there you go. It might be tiny. Oh God, he got one of them. Don't mind him.
No mind.
But
all right, let's get the
right.
hook out of him real quick because he kind of.
we'll get the hook out and we'll get back to you in a minute.
Kyle, I think this is what we're gonna call miracle.
Yeah.
Okay, miracle fish right here. Miracle fish. All right, Kyle. Thank you, buddy.
No problem, man.
All right, let's see if we can't get this fish. Oh, revive back. I ain't scared to get in the water for this fish. Oh, he's kicking. All right, there he goes. Oh. Man, it's starting to rain. We can't have this today. Not today, man. Oh my God.
It's just sprinkling.
Hey, look. On the boat. Alright, guys. Since I caught Miracle today, we're staying out here and catching some fish during the rain.
I had a dream about Miracle. Where the fuck did that come from? Oh, you're recording?
We'll be there. That's okay.
It's like I knew something about Miracle. I thought you said before. I don't know.
The series Miracle. That's what we're gonna call it.
Oh!
Yeah, watch out, homie.
Dude, Kyle, I had a bite right here. He's going to come back up.
All right, guys. Well, we're out here fishing, and it's starting to flood. I showed them the water.
We can't have this today.
No, we can't. We only have 2 fish. We're there for like 15 minutes. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. I mean, it's coming down harder.
It'll be alright.
Maybe y'all can catch another one real quick.
Hey, what I'm thinking about doing, though, for real, I'm gonna go underneath that dock right there, and I'm gonna chew, and I'm gonna cast me in.
I need to buy me a rain jacket.
Y'all guys wanna make me a call? Rod fishing rain jackets, I'll go over there.
There's a turtle right there.
Where?
The one in the water. Yes. Right.
It's just sprinkling. It only shows 40%. Okay.
All day.
Yeah.
What? What's wrong? Oh, I ain't got. Ain't gonna do it.
Oh my God, I got the tree. You know, I've never caught a bass like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like during the rain.
I've called catfish in the rain.
Oh, yeah, during the
Does that
hurricane.
count? Yeah, down the hurricane.
He swam right by it.
What are we trying to get, Tyler?
I think it's just daggone bass. Keeps on biting my hook. Oh, I'm gonna tear him up.
Yeah, we've seen him swim by a couple times. It was a big one.
Alright, we're about to make a switch. So right now I got this bluegill on. About to make a switch to the Crenshaw Custom Baits. Go check him out. I'm gonna put the hashtag down there in his Instagram, and I'm about to put on his jig and see if I can't catch his bass.
What kind of jig is it?
It's a
What's the name of it?
Was it lightning bug?
Lightning bug jig?
Or Tennessee whiskey or something? I don't remember. I think it's country music now.
I think it's lightning bug.
But as you see, he should be over there. I don't know if Talk can see him or not. Talk, throw your line in there, see if you can't catch him. His bed is literally right underneath you.
Alright.
Like, no, to your left. So, ladies and gents, this is a crawl and the jig that I got from Crenshaw Custom Baits. So we're about to tie this on, see if we can't tear it up. Alright, so me and Kyle, we out here. I got the Crenshaw Custom Baits. Holy crap, look at all over there. It is flooding. So right now we got a storm coming in. Like we're underneath like flash flood warnings and all that. And we're still out here fishing for y'all. And maybe we can hurry up and catch us another bass before it starts coming. Because it is right there at the dock. And so maybe Kyle can tie him up something.
I'm about to go ahead and start packing my stuff up.
You need to catch another
You
fish.
don't see the clouds, man.
Dude, Hunter, show them the clouds, man. If y'all want to add Hunter on Instagram, just DM us. Hunter's our video photographer. He does our Instagram and our social media. Thanks to Hunter for all the social media help. And if it wasn't for him, I think we'd still be on the download. But
Yeah, download.
well, that is a good way to end the day right there. Daggum good old bird's nest. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come buy you some of these for your other rods.
What?
Make some grips. Mine's about softer than a baby's butt.
I like mine.
Yeah, I know. I like those tubers, man. You know.
Odd.
Didn't you get a new rod?
Yeah, my new rod's right there.
Here,
I
show
think
me.
I showed you.
All right, guys, we're about to pack up.
Yeah.
Y'all can hear thunder.
All right, guys. So yeah, that's my new rod. We're about to pack up. We're about to head out that way, and we'll see y'all guys in a little bit.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to end the video today. It's starting to flood, and we're about to get rained out. We caught what? Two bass?
Yeah, two bass.
Caught 2 bass. My cameraman was way over there when I caught mine. You know, we got tailors when we was talking about making a, what was it?
Tutorial.
That was
Yeah,
right.
tutorial video. But I think I'm Max. You see them right there? Them things are killers, man. We gotta get the skeeter getter out.
Yeah.
So what I want y'all guys to do is go check out Instagram. Like not right now, but right after the video, and do hashtag miracle fishing, rod fishing, miracle rod fishing.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah. So support Miracle. It was a beautiful fish. I mean, he wasn't the biggest, but he just gave us another
It's
video
just
to
crazy
make.
how you caught it on camera.
I know, like I've never done that before. I mean, like you did it yesterday, which the video should be up. God dang. We gotta get up out of here. Thought if I get electrocuted.
Yeah.
You hear
All right,
that?
guys. Well, the link will be in the description to our Instagram. It'll pop up right here. Go check it out. We have a giveaway coming out in 2 weeks. We're doing it in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks from now.
2 weeks from now. So
See y'all.
get y'all go on App Store, download that countdown. 2 weeks from today. So today's Saturday, May 4th,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So 2 weeks.
yeah. Y'all just
Yeah.
hop on over to Instagram. Check it out. We'll have what to do, how to
How
get
to
in
do
that
it.
entry.
And hopefully by, okay, I'm gonna give them a deadline. I'll give them by the end of this month. I want 2.5K on Instagram. If y'all can get that for us, me and Kyle both jump in the lake. Is that a deal, Kyle?
Want to jump in the lake?
Yeah, we're gonna jump in the lake. We're gonna run off.
All right. we can
Okay.
do that.
Okay, so while we're sitting here doing after, I've always had a question. How do you have your sunglasses on and it's dark?
All right. Well, okay.
That's what I want to know.
I got an answer for that.
Oh, okay.
Good question. Good question.
Oh, okay.
Well, I keep my sunglasses on, you know, because it's raining. Keep the water in my eyes. It's like a windshield to your truck. You know, when you hit it, I don't got no windshield wipers though. But I got my finger, you know, swab it off, you know, it gets a little bit blurry. But
Oh, I need to put mine on.
yeah, put them on. See,
I
Look,
can't see nothing. Mine's foggy.
you can't see nothing.
Nope, mine's foggy.
Come here, let me fix it for you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, there you go.
No, it's on the inside, man. It's on the inside.
On the inside.
Yeah, it's on the inside. Oh, yeah, I bet you see the foggy. Oh,
Can you see? Don't do that. That's gonna make it worse.
I can see perfect.
All right.
I can see a bass right over there.
Yeah, go catch it. Oh, okay. Put your rod up. Hang on. Well, yeah, I wear my glasses a lot because I don't know why. I just love them. Okay.
Maybe soon we can get sponsored by Ozark Trail. That's what the bag is. Our sunglasses.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get.
Check out these bags. Check out these sunglasses.
Oh
Get
yeah.
up closer.
Come on. Get on.
Get over there.
Get on them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Check out my
Sexy.
bag.
Look at this
Check out my
bag.
bag.
See, mine is Swiss Army because you know. Why not?
Oh yeah, but go check these companies out. They're really good. I mean, these sunglasses work fine. They ain't broken in like 3 years, so we're
Especially
good.
them loose fishing rod.
Yeah.
See, that's the Aubrey Garcia. I would not prefer Aubrey Garcia, but it's Aubrey Garcia. It's a good rod.
No, just
Good
get you
reel.
some loose.
Get you some lose.
You'd be good.
Hashtag lose. Right there.
Yeah.
Boom. Hashtag lose.
Windshield wipers.
Yeah.
I need some blinker fluid.
I need some antifreeze. So,
All right, guys, we're about to
gonna
head out.
we're gonna head out and
out here and stop
why don't y'all
messing
just
around.
while we're right here, right now, I want y'all while we're ending this video right here, right now, I want y'all to go check out Instagram. rod_fish_. That's our hashtag. And so I'll see y'all guys next time. Catch y'all on the flip side. We got to go. That was the best fishing day I've ever had, man. We caught 2 fish back to back. Miracle, I love you. Finally got Kyle. Kyle, come here. I need you to come talk with me. It's gonna take forever. He loves this truck. Mr. Silver Paints. But we're about to go on like the rods. I think we had a beautiful day, don't you think, Kyle?
Yeah, we did. Caught 2 fish.
Heck yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what I want y'all guys to do right now is be prepared for the giveaway in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks from today.
2 weeks.
So not this Saturday coming up, but next Saturday. I want y'all guys to just be pumped for it. I want y'all just to be smashing our Instagram, liking, commenting, sharing, telling your other friends, tell your grandma, your sister, your sister's boyfriend, your sister's husband. I don't really care. I just want you to just share it. Me and Kyle just want some love, man.
That's right.
But also, I want y'all to go check out Hunter's Instagram on Instagram. That's all we talk about is nowadays, Instagram.
Look, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, too.
You know what? I've had a bad day because I only caught 1 fish.
Me too.
We got old Banjo back there wanting y'all.
Yeah, so we gotta go.
So,
here's my truck pull up. He goes crazy. Both of my dogs. So we'll catch y'all later on.